Wait, what? A black hole could literally stretch your body like spaghetti until you're thinner than a hair. And here's the crazy part, you'd feel it the whole time. Today we're answering the ultimate question, what would actually happen to your body if you fell into a black hole? We're talking gravity so strong it bends light itself. Stick around because the third fact will literally break your brain. First up, spaghettification. Imagine your feet getting pulled harder than your head, like 100 elephants yanking one direction. The gravity difference between your toes and your brain is insane. Your body would literally stretch like taffy at a carnival. Here's fact number 2, you wouldn't burn up. Sounds weird, right? But you'd hit the event horizon, basically the point of no return, cold. It'd be like diving into the deepest ocean without a temperature change. But you'd be crushed instead. Now for the mind-bending part, time itself stops. From your perspective, you'd get stretched slower and slower. But from Earth, you'd look frozen forever. You'd be stuck like a Minecraft player on pause, reaching toward the black hole for eternity. And here's the final twist, scientists think all the information about you gets printed on the black hole's surface. You'd become part of the universe's biggest database. Your atoms literally merge with infinity. So here's the insane takeaway, black holes aren't just space monsters, they're the universe's ultimate rule breakers where gravity, time, and physics have a complete meltdown. Now you tell me in the comments, which fact scared you the most? And please hit that subscribe button before you get spaghettified into another dimension.